Author presents Back and Forth with NEVS and Sven, a program of writing rants and rebuttals.
We live in a visual world today. There's no doubt about that. And before someone's going to pick up your book, they may want to actually get the information about it through another means, through word of mouth, or through something visual like a trailer. So that's really a good way to sell something in a very succinct way and a very brief way. So why not make a trailer? A trailer will live as long as your book does. So let's say it lives online and only 5 people see it in the next 5 years. What about the 5 years after that? Maybe there's 5,000 people that see it. I mean, why not? It's there, it's living there, and it might just do something when you're not even noticing it. Is this fantasy talk? Sure, but why did you write your book in the first place, and why are you trying to publish it? I mean, you're trying to chase a dream down, so nurture that dream as much as you can and give yourself as many advantages as you can. You know what? Trailers can be expensive, especially if you pay somebody, but you know what? These days, with iPhones and software available on computers that ship out there, there's really no reason to pay anything. You could do it yourself. Just remember to keep it under a minute and to get the point across not only through visuals, but audio as well, because some people aren't paying attention to the screen. You don't want something sort of esoteric or something artsy or crazy. Remember, you're trying to reach a wide audience. You're not trying to make some experimental film. So make it to the point. If you do choose to hire somebody, make sure they know what they're doing. Quiz them a little bit. Make sure they understand about publicity and marketing. Make sure they aren't going to make it esoteric. Make sure they get it across in the audios and the visual. And make sure that you have a sell message on there as well. Also, I would try not to burn anything in there, especially a website, because your website may not be around as long as you think it will be. And even links to Amazon can change. Links change really in general. So if you have it clean, put it on as many websites as possible. There are ways to overlay things on top of the video, especially on YouTube. You can actually overlay a link, especially if you are the domain manager. You can actually have a link to purchase your book. So keep those things in mind when you're making your trailer. Put it this way, creating a trailer can't hurt. Why not? Trailers. Trailers are pointless. Let me ask you something. How much video is uploaded just to YouTube per day? Thousands of minutes. Unless you already have an established audience, a trailer won't do. Book trailers, like music videos, are old school and only created by established artists. There's a better medium out there to get the word out. How about the old school website and directing traffic through social media, wild postings, book conferences, Goodreads? Plus, a website services many other needs. It's a place where someone can catch a glimpse of your book or spend an hour getting to know you and your work. Then there are the expenses of creating a trailer. Paying someone $50 or up to, like $1,000 to make a trailer that no one will watch seems pointless. Just because a kid with a camera charges you money doesn't mean he or she knows the first thing about good targeted marketing. There's a different approach to each targeted audience and the genre you're writing about. Remember that. If you want to get the word out, go old school media. A guest blog or hang it on Goodreads. Do anything you can, but don't create a video for a medium that basically predates the photograph, okay? Oh my God, really? I mean, are you listening to this? Yeah, don't. Listen to me. I'm the voice of reason. I'm the voice of hope. I'm the voice you should be listening to. Yeah, so tell us your opinion. I'd like to know. And so would the loser.